Over the past year, this motivational quote video has garnered more than 100 million views and over 1 million followers. In today's video, I'm embarking on a new venture, attempting to launch a YouTube channel only with the help of AI. My goal is to automate the entire creative process, covering script writing, visuals, and voiceover. The inception of this idea happened during my YouTube explorations for potential faceless channel concepts. While scrolling, I stumbled upon an inspirational quotes channel. At first glance, you might wonder what sets it apart. However, upon conducting thorough research, I was taken aback by the astounding numbers it's achieving. This channel generates content through the creation of simple videos like the one you're watching. In fact, this channel generates a substantial monthly income ranging from $1,000 to over $16,000. Intrigued by these possibilities, I'm excited to dive into this endeavor. So let's get started with the journey of creating my AI-driven channel. Channel creation. To kick off the process, I asked ChatGPT to come up with 15 potential names for my inspirational quotes channel. After careful consideration, I settled on the name Quoteful Journey. With my channel name, I create a new channel. For the name, you should look up if there is any bigger channel how maybe has already used the same name. After that, you have to complete the channel design process with the channel logo and banner. These two things can easily done with a free design tool, Canva. Just use their free templates for YouTube banner and logo and design it as you like it. As an alternative, you can also use Fiverr or Upwork to let it get done from freelancer for you. After you did your channel setup, we have to start creating the videos for our channel. For the video creation, we only using AI to get that done. Now, heading back to YouTube Studio, I'll upload the logo and banner. The customization is now complete. Let's proceed to step 1, script generation. Returning to ChatGPT, I'll request it to write 50 famous gym quotes in English, without mentioning the author's names. If I require more, I can simply request additional content, and ChatGPT will generate more quotes for me. The first task is accomplished, and we now have a script. Step 2, voice generation. For this purpose, I'll use 11 Labs. Clicking on it will take me to the corresponding page. All that's left to do is copy and paste our script here. I'll choose a male voice Adam and click on Generate. Our voiceover is now ready. I'll proceed to download it promptly. For a better use, you should create an account for 11 Labs. Step 3, video editing. Returning to Canva, I'll search for YouTube video and select the blank canvas. We require a backdrop for our video, and I'll opt for the same background as our banner. You can also employ AI to generate a background. Next, we need to create a character for our video. We must get creative here, as I'm aiming for something beyond mere emulation. I'll use Leonardo.a for that. This picture we are using for our video and thumbnail. A notable advantage of Leonardo is its ability to produce images with transparent backgrounds, which means we won't need any additional tools. Our character is now prepared for integration. I'll return to Canva, upload our character, resize it, and adjust its placement. It's looking fantastic, so I'll proceed to download it. Clicking share and then download and select PNG. However, we're not quite finished yet. Step 4, the channel which I showed you at the beginning. Just animating their text, but with the help of AI, we can also let our old wise gym guy speak the quotes. For this, we are using the AI platform d-bi.com. There we just have to create a new project. In the editor, we can upload our image we already generated with the help of Canva and Leonardo.ai. We can also upload our voiceover we generated with 11 Labs. After that, you have just one step left for the video creation. Step 5, adding subtitles. To accomplish this, I'll use v.io. Signing up for free, I'll access the platform. Once on the designated page, I'll click on Create Project. Clicking on Media, I'll select the video we recently downloaded. Moving to Subtitles, I'll click on Create Auto Subtitles. I'll choose English as the language and proceed to create the subtitles. All the subtitles are now generated. I'll select the first subtitle, adjust its size, and position it. Navigating to Styles, I'll click left twice and choose the plain style, changing the color to black and the font to Anton. I'll play the video to see how it looks. Absolutely impressive. To make the video even better, you can also download free background music to the video. Step 6. Video uploading and SEO. Let's navigate to YouTube Studio and upload our video. Next, we'll need a title, video description, and keywords for the video. For this purpose, I'll turn to ChatGPT. I'll ask it to generate 10 titles for a YouTube video featuring inspirational gym quotes. This one stands out to me. I'll then ask it to create a concise YouTube video description that attracts views, using the title Unleash Your Inner Beast. 50 inspirational gym quotes to fuel your workout. I'll quickly copy and paste the title and description into the appropriate fields. Moving on to our keywords that will enhance our video's visibility. I'll consult ChatGPT once more. I'll ask it to create both long and short keywords for our video. I'll copy and paste these as well. Step 7. Thumbnail design. Returning to Canva, I'll click on Create and search for YouTube thumbnail. I will use for that the old wise gym guide we created together with Leonardo.ai. Also give them a black background and a text. After finishing the thumbnail in like 2 minutes, we are going back in YouTube Studio. I'll upload the thumbnail, click Next, and select the suggested option. Under Visibility, I'll set it to Public and hit Publish. That's it. Our video is now live. Before I wrap up, I'd like to share the final video result. I just uploaded a snippet of the video and it turned out quite impressive, if I do say so myself. Unfortunately, to download videos without watermarks, you'll need the paid version. If you're willing to invest, it's worth considering. Impressive what you can with some AI tools. I hope you enjoy the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.